Ying75. 75. Oh, ying, 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 ying. Ying, 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 ying. Oh, 75. Oh, 75. Keyboard. 75. Oh, keyboard. Oh, a 75. That keyboard. Wow. 75. Ying, ying, keyboard. 75 by WLMouse. Yeah, by WLMouse. WLMouse. Ying75 unboxing.
FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ying75 keyboard from WLMouse. In the box, this came in the packing box. I don't know what it is. Piece of paper. Or boop. ASMR. I don't know. I have no idea. What is this? Paid for this with my own money. I feel like I have to say that on every damn video now. Is that what the fuck? 2 sleeves for a keyboard? They're recommending I use a sleeve for a keyboard? A nice sleeve, damn. Okay. I might leave one of those out. Nice sleeves. Okay. Kind of weird to have a keyboard with sleeves. Crack my neck. My pussy might crack. Oh, anyways. Comes in the case. That's nice. Wooting, you have to order the cases separate. This comes down. That's a nice case. Okay. So what's on the back of this box? Not a lot of. Let's continue. Yeah. Got a little guide. Keyboard shortcuts. I'll do a little zoomy boy. You can pause if you want. If you're doing it in Mandarin, you can squint at that and see that it's too blurry to read. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Ying75 here. Nice case. A little raised edges on that right there. It's nice. Okay. All right, let's start out with the boring shit. We've got... What the fuck? What's this? Fuck, what is this? Okay. I have no idea what that is. Looks like we got replacement keycaps. That's nice. We've got cord. I already got a lot of those. Okay, what do we got down here? Looks like a key puller. Yep. Oh, nice key puller tool. Okay. I don't. This is like a slidey boy. Is this to lube them? Somebody tell me what the fuck this thing is. I'm not gonna make this video long while I figure out something I should probably already know. Alright, the unveiling. Woo! Bum ba da da, bum ba da da, bum ba da da. Damn, that's fucking heavy. Bum ba da da. Bum ba da da, bum ba da da. Ying75 WLMouse. Unboxing. Okay. Oh, this is a thick boy. There, okay. Comes with a plastic case over it. It's good looking. Okay. It's nice. All right, the back is back's got like that shit on the back too. Very smooth. I wish it had my name. That'd be weird though, because they don't know that I'm FragWatch. I'm ordering shit. The no, you can't really say it. Let me flip that around. The legends for the buttons are side printed. Oh, we have F buttons. Nice. Delete, home, page up, page down, end. Nice. Okay. That's the unboxing. That is a heavy fucking mouse pad. That's the unboxing of the Ying75 by WLMouse. Thank you for watching.